Hello everyone and welcome to the demo of SentientOS. Today we are discovering something fundamentally different. SentientOS is not just another AI wrapper or a chatbot that forgets what you said 5 minutes ago. So it is a fully persistent, context-aware operating environment. We built SentientOS with one core philosophy in mind. An AI should adapt to you, not the other way around. So every decision you make and every context you establish is silently ingested and stored. So to understand how SentientOS achieves this, let's look at its four core pillars. So the first is persistent knowledge, an infinite memory retention span that actively archives your workflows. Second is context aware reasoning. It retrieves the exact relevant memories in under a second. Third is autonomous execution, acting as an agent to execute complex tasks in the background. And finally, the seamless integration, acting as a true central brain for your tech stack. So let's dive in and see it in action. The best way to show you how SentientOS works is to prove its persistence. I am going to teach it a specific rule about my workflow. So first I will tell you about let's start with the architecture governance. Imagine our team previously decided that all authentication must be used Supabase. So we do some we'll store some memory first. So yeah, I have taken this chat for architectural design. Let's see what he gives. Like we have to first store this, then we'll ask a question. This was memory entry, uh, query parcel memory. Here we can see the process which was going on. We found this yeah. So what he does, we have given this, and he just save or do some kind of decisions and stored. This he has been stored. Now we'll ask a question like I'll ask, I'm building the new Firebase. So we have given this. Let's see what he gives. See this, based on the existing this, it is clear that Superbase authentication is chosen to be authentication provider. So let's see what he gives now. Excluding decision, like see what we have decided that Superbase authentication, he generates an issue like Firebase authentication creates a dual generate system. So recommended solution will be continue with Superbase authentication that he gives us. So it was correct. Let's see some different kind of architectural. You can also see here that in architectural record he has saved auto saved that architecture. You can see here the details also. Also the memory has been saved. I have asked the question that I am building the new dashboard board, so please write the login and all. He auto saved everything. So let's move on. Let's imagine our team previously solved a React SSR issue and stored fix in memory. We also give some memory entry regarding our bug solution. This was our memory entry, title React SSR window error. See, the memory gets updated. This was we have given the memory entry. Now we'll ask a question about that and let's see what he gives. We have passed some test case like this. You can see this was a test case. I have asked him a user to submit a critical bug report, okay, and the analytical dashboard crashes immediately with this reference error. Let's see what he gives after analyzing this previous issue which I have given him. You can see that he has given me the new bug report by analyzing the previous one. By analyzing this one, the bug ID was 023, title this. Let's see what bug ID 023, title is this. You can see title, and reference this. He have analyzed that crashing the analytical dashboard and used up this. So yeah, this was our second feature of zero sync. Now we are featuring our third feature, context aware bot. uh, we give some input, like this feature was mainly used for writing documentation and readme. This feature mainly works on this structures and all. Let's see if we give this things to him to like as a memory. For that he gets update his memory. Let's see, his memory gets updated engineering standards. He has updated like standard and all, front end standards and all, okay, rules and all. Now we'll ask a question for this. Based on this, now we ask a question like, I am a new front end engineer joining the company today, help me get started. We have asked him a question to like memorize me some things or give a summary of the things like what we have to start as a fresher. So let's see what he gives based on the previous things which we have provided him. um, what he gives, yeah, he gives a beautiful roadmap for us, like as a new front-end engineer I'll guide you on the onboarding process and all. So this our docs writer, which was a context aware onboarding bot, gives this type of structures very nicely. He gives important documents and first week roadmap, get ready to learn this. Here you can see the memories retrieved, what the memories are, from where he is retrieving his memories and all. So I forgot to tell you that we asked this question for bug. This bug fixes also stores the bug. See here the bugs has been stored. That analytics crash board crash fix, this has been stored automatically here, and the memory directory was updating on its own, like it was on auto update. So yeah, you can see this. Let's dive into some other features. So let's imagine our team has some strict coding standards. So on behalf of that, for example, I have given this coding standard rules to store in its memory, and on the basis of this we'll ask a question regarding, uh, like we give a code and ask a question. Yeah, the memory gets updated. You can see here coding standards get updated. He has updated his, we have given rules, he has updated. Now we'll ask a question. Let's see what he answers. This was our question. Yeah, we got the answer. On the given question, he has given answer of about pull request review. Uh, you can see here he has not broken our rules. Direct database access is not allowed. We have told him that no direct database access. So yeah, he maintained our rules and regulations. This camel case naming convention, like the function name, same to same. He has all the like he has follow our rules and all, and proposed some changes and given a updated version of the code snippet in TypeScript language. You can see here, and these are the memory retrieved. Unlike ESLNT, SentientOS understands architecture rules and enforces company-specific standards. Now I'll show you how SentientOS processes a user's request through its autonomous memory-driven uh, pipeline. Like unlike traditional AI systems that simply answer prompts, SentientOS retrieves historical knowledge, reasons over context, make decision, and permanently learns from every interaction. The first is user request reception. Like first the system receives a request from the user interface, API, webhook, or external platform. For example, analyze my repository and identify unused imports. What happens is request enter the system, workflow session is created, and then user intent detection begins. Second is memory retrieval. Before reasoning, SentientOS check its persistent memory. It searches previous architectural decisions, bug fixes, cleanup operations, this cleanup operations, and historical project knowledge is stored in Parcel. What happens is query memory database retrieved related past experience and then gather relevant decisions. Then further it moves to context injection. Like next, all retrieved information is injected into the agent's working context. Like context includes current request, memory results, documentation, repo files, and historical decision. And all this further given to agent reasoning. This is where the autonomous reasoning engine begins thinking. The agents will scan repositories, review files, identify patterns, evaluate risk, determine the best action, and then further it's a time to decision extraction. After reasoning completes, SentientOS extracts the final decision and then it is in like JSON format. So uh, finally the system stores the decision into the long-term memory. So stored information is problem identified, then solution applied, confidence score, timestamp and all. This to be stored. On the right side we can see real-time execution log generated by the memory. Like this type of things has been shown. Let's move to memory directory. This was our memory directory where all the chats has been stored. For example, recent chat we have stored is this direct database access prohibited. This was the summary of that chat. What you have done, like direct database is not allowed. Instead, create a service layer to encapsulate data interactions and all. This was a summary. So here all the memory has been stored from the chats and everything. So total memory has been stored are 47 of 7 categories. These are the categories of the memory: architecture, design, bug fix. From where these are the tagging systems. These are the tagging system. This tags has been stored in that type here. So in that manner, the memory has been stored. You can see here the bug fix tag has been there shown. This was no. You can pin this memory. Also edit this, and also you can delete the memory. Yeah, deleted and it becomes to 46. Also you want to add some manual decisions, you can add, like for example if I ask him to database and it was of some coding standard, so no database allowed um, in coding standards and tag no uh, like sentient OS. I write here for like this was a sample data. I'll save this. Let's see what happens. See, there is one memory has been created, which was database of coding standard. Yeah. Uh, these are the memories. Then further moving toward architectural records. This was where the architectural designs has been stored. A separate architectural designs only for storing this has been created. So here you can see the previously architectural design. This was the like this was the previous architectural design autosave conversation from architecture agent. This this before this was the architectural design we have asked. This also we have asked. All have been architecture. All the architecture designs has been stored here. If you want to create on your manual create architecture design, you can create here and save here. It will get saved. And if you want to delete, as simple as to delete, you can see the delete has been done. Further moving toward bug fix memory, same as that, where we are when we ask any type of bug, or when we give a memory of bug to store, like the solution and the issue, it gets stored here. You can see front end. This we gave them that analytic dashboard crash and all. This bug has been gave to them. This has been stored. You can see the date 23/2026. It has been stored here. So it has been segregated all, like architectural records has been stored here, bug fixes has been stored here because of that agent. Huh. uh, yeah. Then further we are moving toward engineering knowledge. This as the agent where we get all the answers of everything, like where you ask the question about coding standards or architectural decisions, and regarding all this you can ask question here also. uh, this this for that. And this is our document library where you can upload a document. For example, I upload something. Let's see. I upload. Upload my resume. Yeah. I upload my resume. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here the resume has been uploaded and the size is 203 words. Let's ask some question about my resume. What he gives. Let's keep it into auto tag. Uh, Give me the summary of currently uploaded file. Let's see what he gives. He's showing me here the uploaded file, recently uploaded file. Yeah. Uh, does he extracts? Let's see. He extracts the file and given me the summary which I have asked, like the details about the file. This was the resume and this was file ID, update and all. Right now I have asked him a question, explain me about the file which I have uploaded right now, that resume.pdf. So he gives me the resume summary, says that my name, contact information, summary, education, projects, language, certificates, awards, and all everything about that. So he uh, extracts the information from that and given me. Further moving towards system metrics, here you get all the information about the metrics about the system which are SentientOS generating. 10 bugs have been resolved and all. This was the AI insights. 45 memories has been stored, 9 architectural decisions, 2 features has been processed. Repo health is 75%. Memory growth over the time is 45, and you can see the memory categories also. These are the memory categories. You can see the entire data analytics about our uh, SentientOS. This was the entire data analytics. Then further moving towards the chat history, when let's see, I click on this, you get entire chat what we have done till now, like about 2 days. This was the chat history, and you can see the updation time 5:13, 4:39 and all. Now I'll ask him to generate today's stand-up summary. Let's see what he gives. Oh, what today we have asked. Yeah, he given me the summary that explain the context of the PDF files. This summarize the currently uploaded files, provided coding standards and all. Updated this and this and blockers none. Decided to Supabase as used as authentication. Resolved a bug. This was fixed. And next to implement Supabase authentication provided to existing architectural design. Yeah, he gave brilliant answers and all. And this was the AI settings to use creative. This is the temperature. You can adjust him as you want. Yeah, this was our project. And yeah, here are some options also. This was for demo. This was same as of stand up summary. This was of theme. Yeah, this was our project. Thank you.